welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely luvme hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous beauty right here, and if you're interested in seeing just how easy it was to put on, how it came right out of the box, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. So y'all already know I am super excited to get into this gorgeousness. Like, look at that curl and that color. Absolutely fabulous already. Right out of the box, it's looking amazing. Y'all cannot tell me this don't look cute. So let's get into it.
It's real cheap, but it's really gonna cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business.
I'm liking. Look at that. Okay, go on and clip it down. Oh, it feels amazing. It feels amazing. It is securing my head so comfortable. I feel confident this unit ain't going nowhere. Oh my god, and look at this color. Wow, absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Just wait. Okay, just wait. But first, let's go ahead and cut this lace. But let me show you the hairline before we cut it. This hairline is giving. It's giving, y'all. It's giving. Okay, so let's go ahead and clip it back.
Cord me first.
Now let's cut.
Been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time.
All right, so here it is. Cut. Okay, all right. Yes, so let's go ahead and get into these curls, and then we'll be done with this unit. Yo, I don't know how to act because this was super easy to put on. So let's finger comb these curls and see how she looks.
Now you under my submission, like my rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season.
So I am getting shedding with this unit, but it's not a lot. But do expect a little shedding. I got a little tangle as I was finger combing through the hair, but once you get combed through all the curls, your fingers are able to go through with ease. Y'all see this? Look at all this hair. This is so full, but it's lightweight at the same time. I'm gonna put a little powder around the edge to help with the hairline. So this is her right out of the box. All I did was cut the lace and finger comb through the curls, and this is her right out of the box. She looks so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I am loving this color. Absolutely gorgeous. Just imagine yourself wearing a flowy dress, a summer dress, flowy sundress with this hair. Wow, absolutely amazing. So what we're going to do next is we're going to wax stick the top, because as you can see, you do get a little flyaways here and there. So we're going to tame those flyaways with a little wax.
I'll disappear a whole season, like who said they looking for me? I'ma make.
Look at there, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And what I'm going to do next, and I'm just going to curl it up so you can see how well it takes with heat, and to curl it up, give it a little help, because this needs a little help, and do a little help. We're just gonna put a curl here or there, just so you can see how it takes heat, and to help it out a little bit because it's been traveling in the box.
Order in the cord me first, you short on my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You you do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck, I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions.
Alright, y'all, so I have curled the up and finger combed it out, and gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Y'all cannot tell me this is not gorgeous, and it is glueless. Look at that. Oh, bam, melt right in the scalp, and it's back to perfection. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. This is so cute. Wow. So let me show you the back.
Down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Now, I am getting a little halo effect. So what we're gonna do is I am going to get my Nairobi setting lotion, and we're just gonna put it around the hairline to help get this lace together around the hairline. So let's go ahead and do so.
Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends. Building by a
Next, I'm going to get my wrap, and we're just going to lay the lace down for a few minutes.
big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like whoop.
Alright, so let's go ahead, take this off. Look at there. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about, honey. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, look at there. Look at there. Yeah. Look at her. She is so cute. She is fabulous. She is sexy. She is all day in a bag of chips, honey. She is what you need in your life right now. Okay. And look at the highlights on this unit. That color is simply amazing. Absolutely amazing. It looks drop dead gorgeous. Y'all can't tell me this color don't look fabulous. So beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This unit would fit all skin tones because the color is very flattering, and it brightens your look. Like, honey, come on now, come on now. This is amazing, and y'all know this hairstyle is my absolutely favorite. Then add some color to it. Yes, honey, yes. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Love Me Hair rat tail comb, a Love Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Love Me Hair elastic band, wig caps, and a Love Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is an elegant copper ombre highlight loose body wave / silky straight Glueless 5x5 closure lace wig with a breathable cap. I am wearing this in the texture body wave with breathable cap, and you do have the option to get this in a silky straight texture as well. I am wearing this in the length 20 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 16, 18, 22, and 24 inches as well. This unit also has the option to come pre-cut at an additional cost. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is 100% human hair, and the density on this unit is 180%, y'all. Y'all see all this fullness right here. The color is a copper ombre highlight. The lace area is 5x5, and you're able to part this in the middle, the left, the right, or do a C part as well. This lace is a regular lace, but honey, You can't tell me you see this lace, honey. The cap size is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. And speaking of cap, this cap is also breathable, so you have the option to get airway to your scalp and give you the ability to scratch your scalp as well. This unit also comes with adjustable straps and adjustable band to help get you that glueless effect. This unit also comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this, but it's not recommended. But if you want to put some more highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that. This is a elegant and classy unit to wear for any occasion, and you are going to look absolutely fabulous. I 100% hands down recommend this unit, because you know switching up is everything with a luvme hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this gorgeous beauty, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you're interested in seeing what else luvme Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.